Y'all, I just got home and we gotta figure out what's in the box. What is in this box? I have not seen any spoilers, I don't think, for March. Let me get my scissors. I just got back from running errands, hence the sunglasses, sorry. I've also been working on my curly hair game. So I'm doing a lot of stuff with the hair behind the scenes, and I'll let you know what works and what doesn't. I feel like I'm a little shiny, but it's because I'm not really wearing much makeup today. I did just run out to Ulta and get a little mini haul that I just posted in my shorts, so go check it out. But I was out of my favorite Natasha Denona concealer, and then things happened. I saw new things, I had to get them. I wanna do touch-ups so I don't look a wreck in this video, cause I feel like I do. But what if there's something in here we want to try? That hasn't happened in a while, but let's find out. Let's get crazy with it. So let's see. Ooh! Oh, I love the theme of this. We've got some main character energy. So let's see what is in this month. What's gonna make us a main character? Ooh, I see some of this fab First Aid Beauty on the box. Let's see what we got. Pure Skin Face Cleanser. Oh, I do like their face cleansers. So that'll be something fun to take off the makeup that I do have on. Ooh, a lip butter balm. Lip balm butter. What do we got? From Misha Beauty. Do I know that brand? Don't think I recognize this brand. Do you? Oh, it's tinted. It's like a pink. Okay, I got something on my lips right now that's the Tarte Maneater, so let me take this off. Couldn't have come on here with nothing on my lips, you know? Let's see. Ooh, okay. Ooh, I like the applicator because it's actually curved. It's curved to be like the lips. It smells really sweet too, but not like too sweet. We have not only bubble wrap, but we have a palette. Is this Laura Geller? It is Laura Geller. Okay, okay. Okay. How do I get into the bubble wrap? Is there an opening? Is there an end? You guys know how it is with childproof packaging. I'm always confused. I love to see some bubble wrap so nothing comes broken, hopefully. This is the Candy Cravings. 12 multi-finish eyeshadow. 1 highlighter and 1 blush is involved. Okay. Here's a little sneak peek. The packaging is giving spring, yes? Florals for spring, groundbreaking. All right, I don't see any complexion things in here that I need to worry about. So hold on one second. I just gotta do it because I feel kind of grody right now. Hold. Okay, I'm back. I have a little bit more makeup on, and you guys, I got something at Ulta today in my mini car like haul that I just posted on shorts that I have on my face, and I am blown away by it. Go check that out because I'm gonna be telling you about it very soon. But I'm not gonna tell you about it in this video because we are talking about Boxy. And you guys know, no matter how many years it's been, I still love my BoxyCharm videos. They're my favorites. And now I really wanna get into this palette because I might be touching up the eyes. And I know there's something else in here for face that I can't wait to tell you. Let me in. Why is this childproof? Why? I don't even think I can say childproof anymore about things. I think I just need to start saying it's Nicole proof because we all know. Oh, I got my nails done today. Do you love the pale pastel rainbow ombre look? Because that is what your girl went with, and I'm totally obsessed. She killed it. Except for over here. Shh, don't tell anybody, but she kind of messed up the order, and now these 2 nails look a little like reverse Uno'd, but whatever, it's fine. I'm just saying all of that to let you know that my nails are gonna match the palette. Oh, we're way more, okay, neutral than I thought. Based off the packaging, I was thinking we were gonna get all like pastel-y florals, pinks, purples, but no. And hold on, the plastic will blind you, so I gotta take this off too. Bada bing. Okay, we have way more neutrals in here. Good for Laura Geller for recognizing that like most people are neutral lovers, but we do have those pops of pastels, right? We've got the purples, we've got some pinks, some blushes, but then we actually have a real blush and highlighter. Ooh, Laura Geller's highlighters are so good. So good. We just want to touch, don't we? We want to know. Oh my goodness. We have some mattes and shimmers here. Well, we can't waste anything, can we? No, we cannot. You guys know I get too excited and I just have to start touching and doing the things. Just gonna dabble here just to do a little bit of playtime to let you know what I'm thinking already. Laura Geller is like such a slept on brand, I feel like, by anybody who doesn't get it in subscription boxes because it's such good quality. Ooh, I don't know. That's just my opinion. I could be wrong. If you think I'm wrong, tell me I'm wrong, but say it nicely. I'm sensitive. So I'm going to put in a little bit of butterscotch here on the inner part of my eye. Holy buckets. Holy cannoli. I asked for it, didn't I? No shame in my game though, it's fine. I never go in with a plan, I just go in with just a hope and a dream. Now this is my PR box, so I did not get to pick what my options were. I know there's a variety of things going around. So if you are interested in getting BoxyCharm, this is my PR box, but you can definitely check out my affiliate link below. You don't have to, but I would greatly appreciate it if you would. And I'm always appreciative that BoxyCharm and Ipsy always think of me. Kind of want to just jump over here into some purple. Like, who am I today? I guess we'll do that for the outside. Like, let's match our nails and just get all Eastered up, shall we? And yeah, I've lately been taking my shimmers across the lid and then just up into the crease with the finger, because more is more. It just is. Neutral, blend it a bit because we're not insane. Do you guys hear Penny out there barking at me? She wanted out so bad, and I was like, well, mommy's gonna film, are you sure? Now she's yelling at me. Hold please, my daughter needs me. If you're new here, my daughter is Penny. She's a puppy, she's a dog, it's fine, it's fine. She can be unsupervised. All right, I know I went on top of what I already had going, but this is really fun. I'm not mad about it. But I'll give you a way more in-depth, you know, thing about this in a future video. So if you happen to be new here, I'm Nicole. I do all kinds of fun beauty, lifestyle videos. Hit that subscribe button. I actually have a really big announcement I need to make in the next like week or so. So stick around for that. And I do have a full-on declutter going on right now as well. It's a deep one. So I got two more things in here. Fenty. Do you see Fenty? When's the last time I got a Fenty and a BoxyCharm? I don't know. This is the Fenty Cheeks. What do we got going here? Oh, we're popping here. We're popping with some blush. Petal Poppin' is the name, actually. Getting into packaging is half of why I have to edit. Oh, okay. Oh, look at this fun packaging. Okay. So O2 Petal Poppin'. Whoa. No mirror. That's interesting. But this looks really pretty. Is it a matte? I didn't even read anything. I just immediately just open packaging and start touching and swatching because I get too excited. Okay, good. It's not as like pigmented as I thought it was gonna be at first because this isn't exactly my favorite shade or tone, but that looks real pretty, doesn't it? This is a high impact color, ultra smooth texture, lightweight formula for a diffused finish. Okay, sweet. Just pop in. I did not put on another blush because I thought I had blushes in here and we knew that there was one in the Laura Geller palette, but we gotta see what Fenty's all about, don't we? We do. It is a diffused flush. I like that because I'm not subscribing to that overly insane blush look. To me, that's very 80s inspired, and how like when I was little, my mom would do my makeup in the dance recitals that I was doing, and I was like, Mom, I look like I have a sunburn. I've literally layered this up so much just because I wanted to see what it could do. And I think it still looks a little bit more diffused on camera than it does in person. And it's a color I could definitely use because when I looked in the pan, I was like, that's pretty bold. I don't have that deep of a skin tone right this second. It's still winter. Look at me layering. Who am I? Who am I? I know you guys that have followed me for a long time in the comments are like, Nicole, that's enough. Kind of wanted to see if I could get it to build up like it is in person on camera because it's still looking even more diffused on camera. But you know, that just shows that this product can go ham if you want it to. So I did what I said I don't like for you to see if we could do it. And you're welcome, we can. The last product in here, I don't even know what it is. Origins, what are you? It's a warm brightening eye cream. Well, it's in the shade warm. So this may not be my jam because I did not select it. I think if you are a member and you have your paid for box, you can pick, I think, up to 3 products. Oh yeah. Brightening cream. So we will see, actually. I'll put this and save this for a future video. But let me know, are you loving BoxyCharm again? Are you vibing with it? Hello. I'm like kind of shocked right now. I feel like I need a little bit more lip to go with the flush that I have going though. But this feels so nice. The balm that I put on from Misho? I don't know this brand. Misho? I don't know. I didn't mean for that to rhyme. Wait a minute, I'm just sitting here investigating. Did I just get all makeup? Did I just put this together? Well, I guess technically the eye brightener is a skincare. Lip balm is technically skincare, I guess, but I also just put it on with some liner, so I guess we could count this as skincare, I guess, but this is skincare too. I just got distracted by shiny objects. Don't listen to Nicole. Why do you listen to me? I don't know. This is skincare too. This is going to be washing it off. But I guess I just got so excited for the makeup products in here. Everything else just fell off my stinking radar that quickly. I have no answers as to why that just happened. But we do have skincare and we do have some really good makeup that I'm really excited about. I'm way too blushy right now. But this was a lot of fun, and I sometimes just get these boxes on a whim. I just delivered today, and I was like, I want to film this right this second. So thanks for hanging out with me. Let me know what you're thinking about the products that I just got in the box. Do they tempt you at all? Are you thinking about it? Do you like what we've got so far? I'm impressed. So I will see you guys in the next one. I am still continuing my declutter, and please don't forget to check out the most recent videos that you may have missed. Another wear on, like trying on the stuff I was decluttering and seeing if I needed to declutter them. And also there's some products out there that are super gimmicky that I just want to save you some money on as well. So check out that video too. I will see you in the next one, friends. Bye.